Hello everyone, welcome back to compiler design subject. So in this video I am going to teach you a very important concept in compiler design called parse tree. So in my previous lecture I was talking about the various phases of compiler design, right? So the output of this parse tree is from the syntax analysis. So the syntax analysis produces the parse tree. Alright, so here I am going to define what is a parse tree. Okay. So a parse tree is a pictorial representation of how a start symbol of a grammar derives a string in the language. Clear? So it is a pictorial representation of how a start symbol of a grammar derives a string in the language. Let me take an example of a grammar. See here, J gives S, P, B. Clear? So this here, J is a start symbol. So it has three different non-terminals, S, P, B. Here again this S is derived with J and this P is derived with M and this B it has C or D. I can generate using C or I can generate using D. So that is the point. So with this production of a grammar, I will be creating the parse tree. Alright. So what is the starting symbol? It's J. So I have written J. So it has three different choices, that is non-terminals, S, P, B. I have written S, P, B. Alright, now this S is derived with the terminal called J. So J and this P is derived with the terminal called M. So I have written M. Then this B, it has derived with two terminals, that is C or D. So in this first example I have written as J, M and I have taken as C. So in the other stretch I can use D also. This is also correct. Clear? So this is called as parse tree. I hope you have understood. So now I am going to concentrate on the properties of very important properties of a parse tree. So the parse tree will mainly concentrate on its root side and on its internal node and it's on the leaf part. Alright, so it is going to concentrate on the three things. So the root is always labeled with the start symbol. So the root of a parse tree must start with the start symbol. So here in this grammar, what is the start symbol? J is a start symbol. So here that J must be labeled as the root. Clear? Alright. Now, all the interior nodes are labeled with the non-terminals. So here in this parse tree, what are all the interior nodes? This S is an interior node, P is an interior node, and B is an interior node. Alright. So these interior nodes are labeled with the non-terminals, that is capital letters. So S, P, B all are in the capital letters. And each leaf is labeled with the terminals. See, these are all called as leaves. So they are represented with the terminal values. Alright. So here this is the root. This SPB, this is the internal nodes or interior nodes. And this JMC, this is leaf nodes. Clear? That is what I have written here in the properties of parse tree. And another important concept which you might haven't heard is what the yield. So what is the yield in a parse tree? Yield is nothing but the leaf of a parse tree when read from left to right. So when you read from, see, this is the leaf part, right? When I read from left hand side to right hand side, that is left hand side is J and followed by M and C. So this is called as yield of a parse tree. Alright. So hence ABC is a yield. So which is a yield of a parse tree. Alright. Now I am going to discuss, I'm just going to give you the basic types of parse tree. Alright. So the best part is what the universal parsers. That is the type of parsers, universal parsers, top-down parsers and bottom-up parsers. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give an introduction only about this all these three. Alright. So the universal parser is nothing but universal parser is able to handle all sort of grammars. So you might have heard of grammars like LR grammar, CALR grammar, and there are few grammars, right? Like context-free grammar, context-sensitive grammar, and regular grammar, and the regular grammar and unrestricted grammar, which is processed by the Turing machine. So all these things, all the grammars will be processed with this help of universal parsers. And this top-down parser, parser will generate the parse tree from top to bottom. Right from this J and till C, it will produce the parse tree. So that is the job of this parser. And this bottom-up parser, so that will generate from bottom to top. If that is from top to bottom, that is top-down parser. If it generates from bottom to top, that is the duty of this bottom-up parser. Alright, so this is all about the good introduction about the parse tree. I hope you have understand the concept of parse tree very clearly. And if you like this video, I hope you will give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.